Side characters.
Wow.
You may want to ignore everyone who's not your character, but the complexity of a side character can kill or enhance the entire rest of your story. Your world is going to be a much more interesting place when your characters want their own things. Side characters add as much world building as setting. They tell your reader who exists in the world that you've built and what they value. In Arcane, side characters Claggor and Milo each showed parts of the Undercity that they lived in. Milo was rough around the edges, thieving, sometimes cruel, very much like Zaun appears on the surface. Claggor was solid and gentle and supportive, like the tentative peace of the city. But both had another side to them. Milo was also fiercely loyal. Claggor could also be brutish and scary. Living in Zaun means having many faces to survive, and through them, we learned that it also means sticking together. Here are 3 steps to write side characters that work. 1. Give them a goal. Let them work towards something, even if it's something that never gets mentioned. Their mission will bleed through and make your writing way stronger. For example, a cashier who wants to send her sister to college will be a lot more likely to accept a villain's bribe. In her story, she's weighing the safety of strangers against the future of her family. That's compelling. That's sympathetic. And if you know why she's doing something harmful, you can show your readers that nuance without even having to say it. 2. Let them react to what's going on. The simple act of writing a gasp or a brow furrow adds so much weight to whatever is happening. It tells us that someone is thinking about or hiding or questioning something. Even if you have no idea what that is, like you as the writer, you do not have to know what they are hiding. The reader will think you do. In comedy, the right reaction can give the audience permission to go ahead and laugh because it is absurd. 3. Let them interact with each other as much as they do the protagonist. Your main character can learn as much from hearing a conversation as participating. And it gives the impression that the world is alive a lot more than all the dialogue involving just one person. Having a compelling side character isn't just good writing, it's good business. In the show Supernatural, the angel Castiel was originally only going to appear for 6 episodes. He was so well received by the fans that he was written in as a recurring character for the next 11 seasons. He even got a heartbreakingly brief love arc with one of the protagonist brothers. That is the power of a lovable side character. If you want to learn more about improving your writing, check out storyforge.com for a safe place for you to practice, find friends, and get published.